Hey guys, we're here for the unveiling of the WaterField 10-inch portable Muzetto. Yeah, let's dive right in. Got a nice little card here. Handwritten note. Thank you for your order, Thomas. Best regards. Here we go. Case is wrapped in nice plastic. Case feels really nice to the touch. Real leather. You can smell it. Inside pocket over here. Nice felt. So I have a zipper pocket inside as well, with an orange gold texture. Got mine in brown leather and copper. The copper looks almost more brownish than copper, but it does look well together. The cover is a little weighted, but it doesn't feel like there's any plastic or anything inside of it. Just some extra, maybe some extra leather. At the back. These are all handmade and the stitching looks really good. There we have it. That was WaterField's design, Muzetto brown leather 10-inch portable copper.